Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back again to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a group account in macOS. And after we've created a group account, we are going to add users to the group. But before we dive into the video, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and turning on the bell notification for more tech tips. I really appreciate your support. Now let's get started. So to create a group account in macOS, you need to watch this video to the end so that I don't miss any of the steps, okay? So to get started, I'm going to open my virtual machine which has the macOS installed, and then we demonstrate how to do that, okay? So I'll open my virtual machine. Okay, so this is my virtual machine, okay? So we are going to click on the system settings. In the older versions of Mac, you see system preferences. They are the same thing. So I'll click on system settings. And then I'll scroll down and select users and group. Okay, so I have someone who is the admin, and I have Nana Kwame, okay, a standard user. So I'm going to create two more users, and afterwards we'll create the group and then we add the users to the group, okay? So I'm going to input my admin password. Okay, so I'm going to add two more users. So I'll add one user. Okay, and the account name will come automatically. Okay, so this is the username or the account name for Nanakojo. Okay, so I'm going to type a password for Nanakojo as well. Okay, so the password hint. Then I'll click on create user. So it's adding the user. Okay, so Nanakojo is created as the standard user. So I'm going to add one more user and then we create the group. Okay, so let me click on add account and then I'll add, okay, Nanayao. Then the account is created automatically. Okay, so I'm going to add a password for Nanayao as well. Then I'll verify the password. So I can give a password hint, but with this user, I'm not going to give a password hint. Okay, so I'll click on create user. So it's adding the user account. Okay, so now I have three users. Okay, the standard user. Okay, so I have Nana Kwame, Nana Yao, and Nana Kwejo. So I'm going to add a group account. So I'll click on the account, and then here you see new account standard. When you click on the drop down, you see administrator, sharing only, and group. So we are going with the group account. Okay, so I'll click on the group account, and then I'll name the account, the first account, IT infrastructure. Okay, so this is the first account, the group account I want to create. Okay, so I click on create group. Okay, so we've created a group for IT infrastructure. So let me create two more groups. So I'll click on the down arrow and then I'll click on create group. So I'll name this one sales. Then I'll click on create group. Then I'll create one more, add account, and then I'll click on the drop down. Then I'll click on create group. Okay, so I'll name this group marketing. So I'll click on create group. Okay, so I have three groups. Okay, marketing, sales, and IT infrastructure. So I'm going to add Nana Kwejo, Nana Kwame, and Nana Yao to the various groups. Okay, so to add a user to the group, you click on this icon here, okay, next to the group you want to add the user. So I'll click on that, and then you can add the user you want to add to the group. So I'm going to add Nakwame to the marketing group, and then I'll click on done. Okay, so I'm going to add Nana Yao to the sales group, so I'll click on this icon here next to the sales group. Okay, and then Nana Kwame. Okay, so Nana Kwame, then done. Okay, let me check the one we added to the sales group. Okay, let me check Nana Kwame, which group I added. Okay, Nana Kwame is in the sales group, and then the marketing group. Okay, so let me change Nana Kwame to Nana Yao. Okay, so Nana Yao has been added to the marketing group. Okay, and then I'll add Nana Kwejo to the IT infrastructure. So I'll click on this icon next to the IT infrastructure, and then I'll select Nana Kwejo. Okay, then I'll click on done. Okay, so now we've added the various groups, the various users to the various groups. Okay, so when I click on the groups, I'll click on the marketing, and then you see the user who is added to marketing. Okay, so Nana Yao is added to marketing. I'll click on sales. Nana Kwame is added to sales. I'll click on IT infrastructure, and Nana Kwejo is added to IT infrastructure. Okay, so I'll click on done. So this is how to create a group in macOS. So supposing you don't want to create the group, or you don't want the group anymore and you want to delete the group, let me show you how to do that quickly. So you click again on the system settings or the system preferences if you are using the older versions of Mac. Okay, and then you scroll down to users and groups. Okay, so you can click on the icon next to the group you've created. Okay, so marketing, if I click on marketing, I can delete the group marketing. Okay, so I can delete the group marketing. So I'll enter the password of the admin. I'll unlock. And then, are you sure you want to delete the group marketing? The group marketing will be deleted permanently. Yes, I want to delete the account. So I click on delete. So now you see we don't have marketing in the groups anymore. So if I click on the icon next to the sales, I can delete the group sales. Okay, so let me delete this group, and then we see, are you sure you want to delete the group sales? Yes, I want to. So I click on delete, and then the sales is gone. So this is how to create and delete a group in macOS. Okay, please, if you find value in this video, kindly support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button, liking the video, and turning on the bell notification for more tech tips. I really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.